At this time, let's talk about the procedures in getting the current with the use of the multimeter. So first things first, let's make this multimeter um, set. So first thing is that this um, range should go to this that compatible to measuring currents. Then as well as other in testing the voltage and the resistance, this needle pointer deflector needle must rest at um, infinity scale. So after this, let's check if it's connected properly, and after that, let's already test the current in the circuit. So that is the procedure in getting the um, current in using this multimeter.